Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're taking a look at how you can create a barcode using Google Sheets. This was shared the other day by Katie Berry and at NISD Google Guru. I'll be sure to include both of them in my blog post. What we have here is student name, student ID, and student ID barcode. Now I'm going to enter into this cell here and type in equals, and then I'm going to put in quotes asterisk, and then close the quotes, put and then I want to put in B2, and again, I'm going to put in parenthesis, asterisk, parenthesis, and hit enter. Now you're going to see the code comes up right in here. What I now need to do is I need to go right back in here and I need to change the font style. I'm going to change the font style to Libre Barcode 39 and watch what happens. There's your barcode. And now you can simply go ahead and drag them down. And there are your unique barcodes. If you do have any questions, please let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.